That one's a great finisher to really stretch the muscle fibers out after you've just beaten the crap out of them. You put a lot of blood in there, and it really just opens it up, puts new blood in there.
All black through the woods with a backpack and a lit match. Spark one time, get the whole city looking like a dark shade of orange when I burn it down. What it is, what it do, whole clique getting live on the talk of the town. Let my city had a mouth and it wouldn't shut up. On a hunt for a crown, when they get it, I'ma burn it, cause nobody in the game right now even deserve it. What in it?
Cables for the. You can do this with a rope, or you can do this with this bar here.
All right, what are we doing here? What's going on?
It's the wide grip. Pull over. I mean, you've seen tons of people do this, but you just get in position, butt a little bit out, because you're gonna pull down into your hips.
Yeah.
So, and what you want to emphasize on, because some people pull like straight down, but you really want to, what you should, but you really want to focus actually on pulling with your elbows. So that will activate the lats more, rather than just kind of like doing a straight one. Kind of just remember to pull with your elbows. Get a nice lean, I'd say about a 45-degree lean to her. This actually works the wide part of your upper lats and your teres major. A little bit of your infus spinatus. More or less lats. There. Feel that burn right up in there. It's a good finisher. I like to do it, and then I'll sometimes superset. So I'll do like that, and probably even just drop it down. So you don't, in case you got like a really busy gym, right? You're just trying to drop it down and do like a low row, which will get more of your upper back as well. It's just basically destroying your upper back more or less. I try not to do too much lower back exercises. Like I usually just stick with hyperextensions and like rack pulls, deadlifts for that kind of matter. I can't do good mornings. I've just never done them before, like as much, so I just stopped. I never liked them at the beginning, so I know a couple of buddies of mine that do it every time they do leg day. And Buddy can do quite a bit of weight, but I don't trust my back. So do what is uncomfortable but safe.
How many sets on your rest for this bad boy?
I'd say about, I don't know, it depends. Like usually for a last set, for like volume wise, I'd go like 20 reps. But I kind of got some weight on it right now, so I'm gonna probably do like 12. But like I said, remember, like you gotta be able to hold it for 1 to 2 seconds, right? Like don't just. A lot of it's technique in the gym now that I've done more and more research. Because I used to be that guy that just wanted to push the weight. I mean, there's time and place for it. I mean, you just want to, when you're doing like really, really heavy, obviously you want to get the weight up really quick. That's understandable. But technique is where you're going to get those shredded gains. You're look more defined, more toned, and just kind of, it's more or less like a bulking technique for just kind of pushing the weight more or less, right? You're getting the heavy weight up. You're building muscle like crazy, but you're probably just not as toned as you want to be.